In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 0x80190001 when logging into Microsoft account new method. If you come across error 0x80190001 when trying to log into your Microsoft account, the fix usually depends on where the error shows up, but there are a few reliable methods that work in most cases. One of the quickest and most effective solutions people have found recently is to avoid entering your password directly. Instead, when the login screen appears, click on Other Ways to Sign In and choose to have Microsoft send a one-time code to your registered email address. Entering that code often lets you bypass the error entirely and successfully log in. If you are facing the error while using Microsoft Store, clearing the store's cache can make a big difference. To do this, press the Windows key together with R, type in wsreset.exe, and press Enter. This resets the store and usually resolves login issues caused by corrupted cached data. If the error appears in other apps, like Teams or Whiteboard, repairing or resetting the app through the Apps section in Windows settings often clears things up. Repairing keeps your data, while resetting reinstalls the app cleanly. There are cases where the problem is linked to corrupted system files or background services. Running system scans using SFC and DSM commands can help repair damaged Windows components. After that, re-registering all Windows apps through PowerShell can restore their functionality and eliminate login problems. In situations where the error shows up during updates, it might be tied to Windows Update itself. Running the Windows Update troubleshooter and resetting related services such as bits, cryptographic services, and the update service often resolves those errors. The best way forward is to first try signing in using the alternative method with a security code, since it's fast and tends to work immediately. If that doesn't fix it, clearing the store cache or repairing the app should be your next step. For more stubborn cases, repairing system files and resetting services will usually get everything back to normal. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.